how to get a stand in Please Donate. So this is fairly easy. All we have to do is open up the Roblox website or the app and search for Please Donate in experiences. So right here, all we have to do is click on the first game, the most popular one, then launch it like so. And I will show you how to do it from complete scratch as a complete beginner and how to claim a stand. So it's gonna load up right here in a random world. Okay. It says loading. So right here, if you go around, as you can see, these claimed ones will have like green text all over them. Don't please. And if it says your text right here and underneath it says unclaimed, basically that means that it is free and you can claim the stand. So this is going to be your stand member right here. Hey, don't claim it, bro. So right here, all I have to do is press E to claim it, hold E, and as you can see, it says claimed. Creepy old dudes stand. So if you want to edit it, again, all you have to do is press E, and here you can edit, put code, settings, so on and so forth. I'll have more tutorials on this, so check out my channel for more. Leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.